What's up guys? My name is Lauren Hardy and I am your wholesaling coach. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to learn real estate wholesaling. In this video, I'm going to go into how I learned how to wholesale real estate and how now I'm doing between 50 and 75 deals a year. I'm going to talk about the easy way to learn wholesaling, and I'm also going to talk about the hard way to learn wholesaling. And I'm going to be real with you and tell you a lot of the mistakes I made along the way so you don't make them. I'm going to get into detail about these mistakes so you can learn from them and you can avoid making the same mistakes I did. So let me tell you a little bit about my business. So I live in Southern California and I am wholesaling virtually, meaning that I do it out of state. I am doing between 50 and 75 deals a year, and we've been doing that number for about the last 5 years. I've been in this business 9 years. And in those 9 years, I've learned a lot. I started in this business as a house flipper, and I was flipping and wholesaling houses in my backyard. But after a while, it started getting more and more difficult to get deals in my own backyard. So I was forced to go out of state, which a lot of people are if you live in a high-priced major metro like I do in Orange County. Now, next, I'm going to talk about the easy way to learn wholesaling. There's an easy way to learn how to do this business. The first thing would be to get into a coaching program. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking that, gosh, these coaching programs, they're so expensive. And what if I don't learn anything from it? What if it doesn't work? Well, I'm going to tell you that the cost of a coaching program will often be worth it because you are going to shorten your learning curve and you are going to end up making more money, which pays for the coaching program and then some. The other easy way to learn this business is to work with a mentor or JV partner. A JV partner is a joint venture partner. So it's somebody that you are going to partner with to wholesale these houses. But you are also going to learn a ton along the way from that person by gaining mentorship from them. I personally think that the sweet spot is having both. I think that if you can JV or find a mentor and also get a coaching program, you are going to really do well in your wholesaling business a lot faster than if you try to figure it out on your own using YouTube University. And I know this for a fact because I have a coaching program and I do mentor other wholesalers. I hear this all the time that they try to do it alone using YouTube University, but after a year, sometimes even 2 years of really struggling and wasting a ton of money and closing no deals, they finally come to me and they find success within a few short months. So that leads me into the hard way. The hard way to learn this business is YouTube University. Listen, I love YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. I have a bunch of YouTube videos, a ton of free content on my channel. I love it. I love YouTube because it gives you vision. It gives you something to dream about. It gives you something to be excited about, but it's not going to give you direction. It's not going to put the pieces together in the right order. And that's really what you need. You need the pieces put together in the right order. Now, again, I love YouTube and you can check out my channel. I have a ton of free stuff, a ton of videos. But in the end, when you want real direction and you want it quick and you want to learn wholesaling as fast as possible, I highly recommend getting a coaching program. Even I buy coaching programs. You see, let's be clear. I use YouTube and social media to date the coach. So you're watching this video right now, you're actually dating me. You're seeing if you connect with my style, if I even know what I'm talking about, if you like me, and if you watch enough of these and you're super motivated and you're confident in me, you're probably gonna check out my coaching program. Don't make the mistakes that a lot of people do, and that's going too long without a mentor or a coach. I personally made the mistake of not having a JV partner long enough. If I were to go back, I wish that I would have had a joint venture partner for the first 2 years that I got into this business. And I'm not even kidding. I really do wish I spent more time JVing with high level real estate investors, because I actually think I would have been a lot further off today had I done that. You see, when I first got started, I partnered with somebody for only the first 2 house flipping deals I did. They were the first 2 deals I did. I partnered with somebody. And after that, I thought I was a hot shot. I was all about just doing it myself, and I wanted to prove to everybody that I could do this myself, when really in the end, I was just shooting myself in the foot. I do wish that I probably should have done maybe like my first 20 deals with an experienced house flipper who was way more successful than me, so I could learn the ropes. But instead, I wanted to take all the profit for myself. I wanted to learn it and go it on my own. I was being really stubborn. So I really do understand this thought process. And if you're in it, I am admitting that I was there too. So it's okay to set your pride aside, because long term, 8 years from now, 9 years from now, you are going to say, gosh, I wish I would have mentored with somebody that was a little higher level than I was for longer. I promise you. So how do you find a good mentor? I honestly think some of the best ways to find that good mentor is through the local real estate investment associations. The real active players do hang out there, and they often have Facebook pages. So if you don't live near one, you can actually go on Facebook and just search up your territory real estate investment association and find the page. You'll see that there's a lot of active investors. And if you're just open and honest with what you're looking to do, I'm sure you're going to find somebody who's going to want to help you, because if you close a deal, it's going to make them money as well. Wholesaling can get very, very technical. And I'm sure by watching a bunch of these videos, it might seem a little bit overwhelming. So I really recommend that you guys check out the course that I offer at www.virtualinvestingmastery.com. If you want a sneak peek or a little taste, I've got something free for you. I've got a free mini course. If you go to laurenhardyofficial.com, check out the notes in this video. I've got all the links there. And guys, if you like this video, drop me a thumbs up or a comment. Tell me what you think. I want to hear from you, and I want to know how I can help you in these videos to come.